Hey friends, do you know much more about the modular connectors? Here we show you the whole series of modular connector for the automotive electronics testing. I'm gonna show you our new design. The female part and the male part connect and disconnect very easy. As you can see, the different kinds of designs of terminals for the male parts and the female parts. About automotive electronics testing involves multiple signals, limited space, and high frequency operation. Our solutions, modular connector integrating multiple signal channels into one compact interface, rates for 100,000 mating circles, self-aligning automating for effortless connection, all-in-one coverage, power, signal, and communication. If you want to get more details about our modular connectors, please feel free to contact us anytime.